Wings is equipped with adjustable straps that fits kids and also women's shoulders. It's an ideal gift for any little girl. It looks like a beautiful fairy when you turn on the power switch and let it automatically flap its colorful wings. When little girls wear these electric butterfly wings, they look like fairies in fairy tales, fulfilling their dreams of becoming a princess and adding an unforgettable memory to them.
I guess Peter Pan was right, growing up's a waste of time. So I think I'll fly away, set a course for brighter days. Find the second star, I'm soaring, then straight on to the morning. I know that I'll be fine, 'cause I know Peter Pan was right. Just a lost boy in a small town.